So in this video we're going to look at the Tronsmart T6 Pro. It has been made very well, I can already say. Like the previous Tronsmart speakers, yeah, the build quality wasn't very great, and also the packaging. And as you can see, the packaging has been improved a lot. So it has some lights in the passive radiators, but you can't change them. They are only in blue. It has 3 different equalizer modes, and with those equalizer modes you can get a little bit more bass, or a little bit more mids, or a little bit more treble, and you will see it in a minute. But I can already say that like the packaging and everything looks very well, and the speaker, yeah, let's see how the sound will perform. So as you guys can see, the different EQs definitely give a different audio quality. So this one I prefer, it's the best. The bass EQ is also okay, but yeah, the EQ that has been set up on this Plus is terrible. It's just too much vocal overpowering. I do notice it sounds pretty clear, but not too harsh. And yeah, they have some marketing included with the speaker, that they have like made a special EQ or special device to make that possible. Let me focus on that. So here you can read like, yeah, we made some improvements on the DSP, so everything will work. And I kinda believe it, because yeah, the speaker works very well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one.